As you might be able to hear, it's blowing a gale this morning. We've had terrible rain and wind overnight. I'm going to attempt a walk. I'm going to go and see the sky. I'm keeping her in again today. I'm going to put a hay net up and give it a quick muck out. I think I might get rained on. Marvellous. Well, it's a bit wild and windy out there. That was a hell of a struggle walking along the prom. Wind was right on me yap the whole way. Gonna give Sky a quick skip out. I'm gonna head back home where it's warm. Alright, see you later, Sky. See you later. Well, that was a wild and windy walk, and I just got caught in some rain walking back to the car. Only a last 100 yards or so, so it wasn't so bad. Gonna go home, have coffee and some breakfast, and warm up a bit. It's very cold. Well, that's tonight's dinner all cooked. Ready to go in the slow cooker. Look forward to that later. Chicken casserole. We've got a couple of hours before we need to go back down to the stables. The old wheelbarrow needs to be discombobulated so I can recycle it. Let's get chopping up a bit. Well, that's got that separated. That can be recycled with plastics, and that with metal. Time to do a tip run, I think. Well, that's all the rubbish gotten rid of. Then we'll go down to the stables in a bit now. Go see to Sky. I'm back down the stables. Still windy and horrible out there. Quick muck out, and I'm going home. Right, Sky, see you in a week. Dinner's bubbling away nicely in the slow cooker. It's been a nice day today, even though the weather's been pants. Kept myself busy, as always. Gonna have a nice long soak in the bath now before dinner. I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe.